Hello Rextonians, this is Kyo and I welcome you to the Rextonians YouTube channel, a channel that was brought to life because of the lack of information on internet about these Rexton cars. This is a Rexton 1 car with a 2.7 liters XDI engine, and this series of videos will show you how to find parts and how to replace them around this car. So we're gonna start with the camshaft sensor, which is this one over here. This one, you can see it. Basically what happens when this goes bad, your car stops. While you're driving, your car just stops, and after it cools a little bit it will start again, but then soon enough it will stop again. So all you have to do to change this part is to pull this metal clip over here, then drag the electrical connection off. This is not very good condition, so this is the electrical connection. Then you need 13 millimeters to use it on this one screw, which was already unscrewed before for the ease of this tutorial. What's worth mentioning is that this part is better to be original, because if you buy a copy, a Chinese copy or any other sort, it's a risk that the readings are not correct and the engine will malfunction because of that. So on your engine this might be a little bit tighter, but mine was loose enough. So this is how a camshaft sensor looks like. It has a OEM number over here. I will write it in the description so you can buy it yourself from the internet. Maybe I will supply some links where you can find the original parts. And what is good to know is that when this camshaft goes bad, the crankshaft, which is in the back of the engine, I will show it to you in another episode, that one also goes bad because they have a similar shelf life. So if you change the camshaft sensor, the crankshaft sensor will follow. So this being my first video, I am a bit nervous and I have no experience about it, but I'm gonna do my best in the future ones. So please stick with me, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, click the bell so you see the new videos coming, share it with your Rexton owners friends. If you want a special video about a special part that you don't know what it is, or you want to take off and you don't know how, just leave it in the comments and I will do my best to make the video as soon as possible. Okay, see you in the next episode.